The Honorable Bonifacio Bosita to explain his vote.
The One Rider Party List, Congressman Bonifacio Bosita is hereby recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, bumoto po ako ng yes dahil pinabababa ng amendment ng Republic Act 11235, Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act, ang mga multa at parusa sa mga riders na lalabag sa batas na ito. Ganun pa man, Mr. Speaker, ang representasyong ito ay nananatiling tumututol sa kabuuan ng Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act na kung saan ang isa sa mga author ng amendment nito ay isa rin sa mga pumirma ng batas na ito, Senator J.B. Ejercito. Nabanggit ko po ito, Mr. Speaker, dahil nabasa ko po ang post ni Senator J.B. Ejercito sa Facebook na sinasabi niya sa riding community na baka kailangang kalampagin ang mga kinatawan sa House of Representatives dahil ilang buwan na nilang naipasa sa Senado ang amendment ng Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act o Doble Plaka Law. Mr. Speaker, nananatiling tumututol ang representasyong ito sa Republic Act 11235, Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act, sapagkat ang batas na ito ay nagdudulot ng diskriminasyon sa hanay ng mga motorcycle riders sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Malinaw na patunay po dito, Mr. Speaker, ang amendment na nakasaad sa Section 5 ng House version at Section 6 ng Senate version na parehong nagsasabing erasing, tampering, forging, imitating, covering, or concealing a number plate or readable number plate in intentional use thereof shall be punished by imprisonment ranging from 2 years and 1 day to 6 years and a fine of not more than 10,000 pesos. Ang probisyong ito po, Mr. Speaker, ay nagpapataw ng parusa sa mga riders sa mga nabanggit na paglabag sa plaka ng motorsiklo ng pagkakakulong na 2 taon hanggang 6 na taon at multa na 10,000 piso. Samantalang, Mr. Speaker, ang mga motorista na gumagamit ng 4-wheel vehicles at iba pang mga sasakyan na may kaparehong paglabag ng mga riders sa paggamit ng plaka ay walang batas na nagpapataw ng parusang kulong at pinagmumulta lamang sila ng 5,000 piso. Napakabigat po nito para sa mga maliliit na manggagawa na gumagamit ng motorsiklo. Ang parusang pagkakakulong ng 2 taon hanggang 6 na taon, lalo pa at walang kakayahan ang mga ito para ipagtanggol ang kanilang mga sarili. Yan po, Mr. Speaker, ang malinaw na patunay na ang Republic Act 11235, Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act, ay nagdudulot ng malaking pasakit at diskriminasyon sa hanay ng mga riders sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much, Congressman Bosita. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to recognize the Honorable Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez to explain his vote.
The One Rider Party List again. First nominee, Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez, is hereby recognized. You have a few minutes, sir. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this representation's vote is yes, but with qualifications. Republic Act 11235, or the Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act, is a flawed piece of legislation, most respectfully. It suffers issues of excessive penalties, discriminatory policies, and impractical, if not borderline impossible expectations. The fact that half a decade later, it could not be implemented by our agencies speaks volumes of its controversy. House Bill 1113 is a step in the right direction with its amendments. However, we feel that it is not enough. We have actively advocated amendments in the committee level, but unfortunately, we failed to secure all our proposed amendments. Out of respect to the authors, and considering that this is a counterpart to a current Senate bill, we vote yes. After all, there are positive developments to be had from this amendment. However, this is because we would rather not obstruct, and instead, we want to help and be constructive. We vote yes with the hopes of reconsideration of some of our amendments, at least in the BICAM, if not further legislation. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much, Congressman Rodriguez.